Very soon, it will be National Prescription Drug Take-Back Day. It's a time where you can properly dispose unneeded medications with no questions asked. Sandy Salverson, the Senior Vice President of Pharmacy Services for OSF Healthcare, joins us now with more. Welcome, Sandy.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. So let's talk about this year's Give Back. Who's involved, and why is it so important?
Sure. So this is a partnership between OSF Healthcare and the Peoria Police Department. It's really important because one, it's for public safety, and the two is it's about appropriate disposal and safe environmental disposal of unused and unwanted prescription medications.
So what's the requirement here when it comes to the drugs you can bring? Do they have to be wrapped a certain way? Do they have to be in their original containers?
No, it's pretty much a come as you are. We see people can bring things in grocery bags. Some leave them in their original prescription bottles or however they've last used them. Yeah. It's all solid dosage forms, so it could be pill bottles, pills, creams, ointments, things that you have laying around the house that you really want to get rid of, or maybe you've had a loved one who's passed away and you're looking to remove all of those pieces so that you don't have other people accessing them.
That's right, and it's very important to check the dates too, because aspirin and Advil and the regular drugs can expire as well.
For sure. Anything that you buy with a prescription or that you can go to a grocery store, a gas station, a pharmacy that is not behind the counter, that it's on the side that you can kind of help yourself.
Absolutely, and we don't want people to miss out on this, but in regards to scheduling, somebody's not going to be able to attend. So what can they do if they miss the date?
Sure, there's awesome ways to do this within the community. There are what we call drug take-back boxes. They look like a mailbox, and they're at various pharmacies within Peoria itself or in other communities as well. OSF Healthcare also has drug take-back boxes at every one of its hospital facilities. And then lastly, our OSF pharmacies also offer, when upon request, envelopes that you can mail that in for a safe disposal if you want to do that as well.
Well, look at that. Okay, so multiple locations. Where can they find a list of all of the locations, and on the exact day, where can they show up to?
Sure. So the best resource is really at the DEA's website, which is dea.gov, and search drug take-back, and you'll be able to find the list and search by your zip code for the closest community that you can dispose your drugs of.
Well, there you have it. Definitely something we want the community to take advantage of. Any last details or any last words of encouragement that you would like to give our audience?
I would just like people to think about Drug Take-Back Day or drug disposal kind of like your fall cleanup or your spring cleanup. It's a good habit, just like you change your fire alarm batteries. This is a good way to clean up and get rid of what you don't need anymore, to make sure that you keep your family safe, your community safe, and dispose of it properly.
Out with the old, in with the new. Sandy, we appreciate you for coming in.
Thank you.
Absolutely. All right, 25 News Good Morning continues after the break, and of course you can find this entire interview on our website. Stick with us.